Good morning, sir. Now I would like to share a video to you about how to post a video in Baycon. Yes, firstly you open your app account and then you see here. Then if you want to post a video from YouTube, you have to find a video from YouTube first. Yes. Now I go to YouTube and I check a video link. You just click a video here and click share. You have to copy the link. Yes, then you open your Baycon account and click here. Yes, click here the plus symbol and you will see your account. Yes, then you click here the USD and click the YouTube symbol and pass the YouTube ID here and you click set button and you will see the video will come in your page. Yes, and you just click post. Yes, so you click post, you click here and go to your profile. You will see your video that you share from YouTube here. Yes. Now how you get earn from this app? You just click watch your video that you post. Click here. You will see the sponsor from advertise any advertiser with this app. Yes. You wait 16, you can close the sponsor by click the top. You see the report at the top of the sponsor. You just click here. Yes. Now you get earn 0.000 $300. Yes. Now you can do this. Yes, can do this. This is the one way, but the more one way, when someone watch your video, you also get earn. Yes, get earn a little bit. Yes, got more view, you will get earn more. Yeah. Now after you already know, the next video I will show you how to join group. Yes, join group in Baycon. It is the same. You join group in Facebook. Yes. Now this video is I finished.